my fur baby.
Mommy. What you watching, Mommy? Mommy.
He is the master of the house.
She's watching Cats 101. It fucked me up. I done got out the shower. My cat is laying on my bed where she ain't supposed to be, with the remotes up under her paws, watching Cats 101. Tell me I'm not tripping. Cats 101. She's watching it.
He was drinking a lot of water, and he was starting to lose weight. Marcus went from an overweight
Mommy.
pounds to a lean 8
Mommy.
and yet he was eating and drinking
Mommy.
nonstop. Renee was very
Fluffy. What are you doing up here?
When we come back, find out what was wrong with Marcus, the Russian blue. It's time to reach that 5 servings a day if you don't always like